welcome to another segment of 1 Minute Marketing, and this week we're going to be talking about WeChat Moments Ads because we've been getting a ton of questions about them. So WeChat Moments Ads are similar to what you would see in your Facebook newsfeed. So it's an in-newsfeed ad. Now in order for you to be able to place these ads, first you would need a WeChat official account for an overseas business. And then secondly, you would need to have to apply for a WeChat advertiser account after your official account has been approved. Now one thing to note is that there are restrictions on industries that are overseas placing WeChat Moments ads. One of them would be real estate developers, buildings that are being sold outside of China, and we notice that also magazines that are overseas or even professional services that are being offered overseas are being restricted. We do see that retailers, so if it's consumer retail, like you're selling jewelry or beauty cosmetics or fashion goods, these tend to get approved. And the other thing is, with regards to the spend on these ads, once you've been approved, there is no minimum spend. But one thing that you should keep in mind is that you would want to set aside a budget of, let's say, roughly $1,000 to $2,000 for a monthly spend. So if you feel that you fit into this category and WeChat Moments Ads is where you feel your customers are, we can definitely help with setting up an account and also help you with setting up the advertising creative for WeChat Moments Ads. Thank you for listening.